If aggression represents one side of human social behavior, prosocial behavior represents the other. Prosocial behavior refers to voluntary actions intended to benefit others, including helping, sharing, comforting, and cooperating. These behaviors are essential for social cohesion, ethical life, and collective survival. Social psychology challenges the assumption that helping behavior is always motivated by pure altruism. Instead, it examines the conditions under which people choose to help, or fail to help, others. This approach does not diminish moral goodness. Rather, it clarifies how social factors shape ethical action. One of the most well-known findings in this area is the bystander effect. Research shows that individuals are less likely to help in emergencies when others are present. Responsibility becomes diffused, and individuals assume that someone else will intervene. Ambiguity further inhibits action, especially when social cues suggest uncertainty or passivity. Helping behavior is influenced by several situational factors. People are more likely to help when they are in a positive mood, when they perceive similarity with the person in need, and when the cost of helping is low. Time pressure significantly reduces helping, even among individuals who strongly endorse moral values. Prosocial behavior is also shaped by social norms. The norm of social responsibility encourages helping those who depend on us, while the norm of reciprocity motivates individuals to help those who have helped them. These norms vary across cultures but serve similar social functions. Empathy plays a critical role in motivating helping behavior. When individuals can emotionally connect with another's suffering, they are more likely to act, even at personal cost. However, empathy is not automatic. It can be strengthened or weakened by social distance, stereotypes, and situational framing. Social psychology also emphasizes that prosocial behavior can be cultivated. Education, role modeling, institutional expectations, and ethical leadership all increase the likelihood of helping behavior. Environments that reward compassion and encourage moral courage make prosocial action more likely, even under pressure. Taken together, aggression and prosocial behavior illustrate a central insight of social psychology. Human behavior is not fixed. The same individual can act with cruelty or compassion depending on context, norms, and perceived responsibility. Understanding these dynamics does not remove moral responsibility, but it equips individuals and institutions to design environments that reduce harm and promote care. Social psychology thus offers not only explanation, but possibility, the possibility of shaping social conditions that bring out the best in human behavior rather than the worst.